Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to fix something went wrong in the FIFA 23. So our first method is that you have to just open your favorite browser and then search here for EA and then tap to open the first website here. So you will find here such type of the interface. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you have to just click on the sign in. And after this you will find here such type of the pop-up. You have to just click on the one account that is connected to your FIFA 23. Basically you have to just log in to your FIFA 23 via the PlayStation network or your Twitch account or any account that is already linked to your FIFA 23. Doing so your problem will be fixed. And the second method is that you have to just restart your PC. Doing so your problem will be fixed. Moving to the third and the most effective method, you have to just click on your internet connection and try to change the network connection. If no alternate network connection is available, then you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 4 to 5 seconds. Doing so, you have to just turn it off again and then restore your internet connection. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. In some cases, to restart your game is enough to solve your error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.